Hello, everybody. It's Karen Devonish-Mazzotta, your spring ETFO AQ lead. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend and you're able to get outside and enjoy the nice weather. I'm making this video just to give you some quick reminders for the end of LE1, beginning of LE2, and also to say some thank yous for the amazing leadership you have provided to candidates throughout LE1. So first, some reminders. Try to get to do your timely feedback to your candidates, since we've been so lucky to have an extra few days to finish up LE1. I know everybody's been really busy with work and the pandemic and having to do work at home. So it's amazing that we've gotten some extra days. Since our discussion boards close today, our feedback to the candidates can be extended as well. So we have until day 3 of LE2, that would be Wednesday, April 28th, to get the feedback back to the course candidates. If you have any challenges with providing that feedback in that time allotted, please just reach out to me and I will support you in any way that I can. So I want to provide you 13 amazing examples of your leadership during ETFOAQ. And so I want to start with thanks to Nadine, who provided this really cool welcome back message that she posted on her course just after the April break. So thanks, Nadine, for the inspiration. I'd like to say thank you to Abbas, who provided an amazing midweek message on that wintry day. Everybody needs the encouragement after we saw that snow in April. So thanks so much to Abbas. Thank you to Angela, who provided some tips and tools for teachers when engaging in assessment of learning. So I thank you for providing that to your candidates, Angela. Huge thank you to Antonella, who provided a video on growth mindset for the leadership 2 candidates. Thank you for providing some leadership newsfeed messages, or rather video newsfeed messages, Antonella, just to change things up. Thanks to Rob, who gave amazing step-by-step instructions to his candidates on how to include a video note and responses. I might actually have to steal this step-by-step instructions, Rob. It's so well done. So thank you very much to you. Thank you to Brooke, who provided some subject-specific art inspiration just before the end of the LE1. So thank you, Brooke. Thanks to Latoya, who is creating a community of learners using the acronym TEAMS and encouraging to post any jewels and tools that they might have in their teacher toolbox. So thank you, Latoya. Thanks so much to Michael, who is encouraging course participants to rethink and extend their thinking around creativity, not only in music, but in other areas. And he is stimulating their thinking using a video. So thanks to Michael. Thank you, Allison, who is reminding participants to relax during that much needed April break. That was a great message. I think everybody really needed that, and hopefully we got it. So thanks, Allison. Thank you to Paula, who provided this amazing an opportunity for occasional teacher tips. I can see that they're numbered, so I suspect she's going to pepper these all through the occasional teacher course. So thank you so much, Paula, for these. This is another thing I might just steal from you too. So thank you, Paula. Merci à Julie, who created this invitation for a bongo session, just as a check-in with her candidates in the middle of LE1, it seems. So thank you so much, Julie, for doing a synchronous session to touch base with your candidates. Thank you. Merci à Anne-Marie, ma collègue, who provided this amazing video note of encouragement to her candidates. But I saw that just about anybody in FSL could use it. So I thank you so much, Anne-Marie. C'était très gentil. Merci beaucoup. And finally, merci à Jacqueline, who is making our transition really easy. And I thank you for her stepping in and creating this awesome note to the candidates, just letting them know that she was going to take on the FSL specialist. So merci à Jacqueline. And my last note is just a reminder that LE2 begins tomorrow, Monday, April 26th, and will end on Friday, May 7th. If you need anything, please just reach out and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.